selling the exact same product and competing for prices. This is the mistake the seller does. Now you have to give option to your customer to buy your product. Why would they buy your product when there are other sellers selling the same product even with higher reviews? There must be a reason for them to buy your product. So add bundle, add differentiation. Now you may ask, it is going to cost us a little bit more. Yes, it is going to cost you a little bit more. But what happens now when you are launching at a lower price? Maximum times your A-cost will be higher, your click-through rate will be higher, but if you're not bundling. When you do bundling, your A-cost will be in range, your click-through rate will be very high, because after all your prices are lower than your competitor, plus you're offering more value than a competitor. Obviously you will make few losses on that first 10 to 15 days, but after you get ranked, you can test prices higher than your competition. I have seen sellers just for the first 1 or 2 months just focus on getting reviews, they make the listing ranked in the second, third page, not even push to the first page. But after they get 100, 200 reviews, then they push and just take over the market. Don't sell same products, look for different designs, look for Amazon.com to look for new designs, or add some bundles if you're doing from India.